back testing is important. I lean towards forward testing being more important, and here's why. False signals, right? Like if you're back testing for new traders, mind you, I think, Donkey, you know how to back test properly, but I don't think most people do, right? So I think if you know how to do both properly, then they're equally as valuable. But when I think it comes to back testing strategies and back testing indicators, what most people don't realize is they repaint, right? Which means, of course, it called the move right because it's based off of historical data. It's not based off of what happened. Like, you guys can test me on this. I don't mean you two. I mean you guys, people listening. One of the most ripped off indicators on the market is the divergences for many indicator, right? And it gets repackaged and sold as for thousands of dollars.
Yep.
Right?
It's free.
And it's free. And people repackage it and sell it. Without naming names, we caught people on this, right? And literally called them out. It's the same thing. But my point is, throw it on your chart and back test it. It looks like it hits 9 out of 10 times, right? But then watch it in regular forward action price. Watch it as price is ticking. That thing is flashing off and on constantly. If you're taking trades based off of that, you are losing.
Yep.
So it works historically, but it doesn't work in forward price action unless you really know what you're doing. And, you know, don't let ego tell you that you 100% know what you're doing, especially if you're an unprofitable trader. So yeah. I think both are strong. And I feel like I had a point I was going to make there and I lost it. So
back testing correctly. Just for the historical record, people listening, repainting means it will show a signal on the candle, but the candle is not closed. But when that candle actually closes, the signal is no longer there.
Right. Yeah.
Just if anybody's confused about that. But almost everything repaints, right? Because it's all historical data. It's all moving average data.
Yeah. I mean, there's 100%. So do indicators fix a broken system? Do indicators fix shitty risk management? No. There's not an indicator in the world that's going to make you.
I think that's like my one piece of advice to everybody. Like, if you're just starting, just throw the RSI in there, or the MACD, or the stock, and then forget about everything else. Because if you go out and you start buying $1,000 worth of indicators, you're losing money you could have been trading with. And we both did that, man. Like, to a point where it was like,
and listen, we're not up on soapboxes here, like preaching to a crowd. We've been there, and we're trying to save you the time and the heartache, because it's a common thing. It's a common thing for people to do this in trading. I think there's a common path that usually ends in people quitting trading, right? People blowing up and quitting trading. What?
When you finish that thought, I'll hop back on here.
Go ahead. That's it.
I had somebody text me the other day. Okay, this may have been a couple months ago now. Like, I think that one of the most popular indicators right now is it's always been in crypto, the Cypher Beat, right? And somebody DM'd me on Discord and says, do you think I should spend the $800 on Market Cypher B so I don't have to use, I can't even remember what's the name of the free one? Vu Manchu.
Vu Manchu, yeah. BMC.
Dude, if you think the difference between Vu Manchu and $800 in spending is going to save you your system.
No.
Oh my God, dude.
All right.
It's not, guys. It's not. Buying an indicator, Lux Algo or Market Cypher, sure, they help when you know how the indicator works, when you have a system to plug them into, but they're not your system.
No. So I think at some point here, just to kind of tie everything together now, at some point, you have to have a come to Jesus speech with yourself, right? If you're serious, you've got to fix it. And it's not complicated. Cut your risk to 1% or less. Pick one setup. Forward test them for 100 trades and journal the whole thing. That's it. That's the blueprint. It's fucking boring, but it works, right?